Did you know that in Ewe you can't use the same verb to buy sugar and porridge? Well, that's right. You could end up making a hilarious mistake if you do. In today's episode of Ewe Demystified, we explore the verbs fle and je and how they teach us to think differently about language and stuff, literally. Remember that old song by Chicago and XDO? Well, they made a mistake in that song. Davi made a kukuma fle koko deka. In Ewe, we don't fle koko, we je koko. That's the word we use, the verb we use for buying liquids. In Ewe, if you want to buy something solid or countable, for example, sugar or bread, you use the verb fle. Mafle sukli, mafle abolo. But if you want to buy something liquid, something that you cannot count, the verb to use is je. Madze dzogbor, for example, I want to buy porridge. Dzogbor being the Ewe word for porridge, not cocoa. Cocoa is not an Ewe word. In Ewe, cocoa is petition. It is to petition. Miele cocoa foam nami. It doesn't mean that we're preparing porridge for you. Now, so when you pray to God, for example, you typically hear an Ewe person say that fofo miele cocoa foam now. It does not mean that we're preparing porridge for God. All right. Madze dzogbor. Madze chi. I want to buy water. These verbs reflect how the Ewe language categorizes the physical world. Fle is for things you can count or hold. Je is for things you scoop, pour, or drink. It's a subtle difference, but a very powerful one. Now let's test your ear for Ewe verbs. I'll say an item, and then you decide fle or je. Let's go. Awu. Awu. For the first one, that's clothing. Clothing. Awu. Number 2, abolo, bread, or anything else that's baked typically. Abolo. Number 3, a chi. A chi. Water. Water. Number 4, sukli. Sukli. That's sugar. Sugar. Sukli. And the last one, dzogbor. Dzogbor. Porridge. Porridge. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Languages like Ewe give us more than just grammar. They show us how people think about the world. In a culture where food, texture, and consistency are central to daily life, it is no surprise we have different ways of talking about buying based on what we're buying. So, next time you're at the market in Everland, remember fle for sugar, je for porridge, and you'll be just fine. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more linguistic gems every week.